Welcome to Primeview InfoComm 2026. We are honored to present the new 136 COB 15 TransforMax. These products allows you to have a unit ready to go that you can fold it, put it back in the box with all the components on, transfer it to a new location, plug it to the power, and run it again. You don't need a technician, you don't need an engineer on site, you just need a power outlet and a remote control to make it work. Once you finish, you fold it, you put it back in the box and roll it to your next location. This product with the cover fits in an elevator and allows you to move from one location to another. The wheels are very hefty, so allow you to carry it around the campus or wherever you need to go with it. And this is the latest release from Primeview, showing the convergence of robotic systems with advanced LED units and processing system. This feature a screen share, an Android player, and a HDMI player that you can connect to, and all work together as one simple unit to use. Thank you very much.